Hello, today I have another car, Mercedes Benz SW222 model 2030. It comes a problem with the engine cooling fan always on. As you can hear, cooling fan spinning. It's spinning at full speed. No matter car on or off, it shuts randomly, wake ups. So let's find what's the issue. So every time I start with diagnostic to see what the fault codes. So I plug diagnostic and let's see what we have faults here. So we have electric fan malfunction in the motor electronics, but this electric valve controlled from another SAU, so we need to look to the another SAU. Another SAU powertrain ECU. Let's find this SAU. Where is this one? Control unit powertrain. So let's take a look at this. So here we have electric fan, open circuit, electric fault. Another EC compressor malfunction, fan malfunction, radiator shutters malfunction, all faults, current. If we try delete remaining this one, maybe because I am now unplug it because it's very noisy. So let's try to switch ignition on off again. Ignition on, and now try to, so all fault codes remaining the same. So all these components controlled with same wire named lines.This. So let's try check communication line for these components. So there is cooling fan, there is connector, and I connect my oscilloscope wire. And we have here something strange signal, because lines should be about 12 volts, here only 3 volts. It's something strange. So another component is shutter, grill shutter motor. It also have this black yellow lines. So let's take measurement here. So here we have the same situation. It tells us what two components have the same line, something with the line or control module, or other component shorts this line and nobody communicates with powertrain ECU. So I think we need to unplug one more component down here with coolant circulation pump. It also have LIN bus. I think it's the same LIN bus. So let's try. So down here in this corner, like I said, we have a circulation pump. This piece, if you look down here, so we need to try unplug its connector. So let's try to unplug. Yes. So now we can, oh, we have something that's familiar with LIN bus, not 3 volts. So let's try to unplug. Sorry, to plug this connector back in place, and we will see. Yes, I plug connector back and look at this. It's bad signal. So try to leave this unplugged and we can test if our components. So I leave this connection, it's a little bit rusty, oxidation, so I leave this unplugged. Now it seems like LIN bus, so need to connect this connection back in place. So cooling fan not moving. Every time I disconnect back, also cooling fan starts spinning. So let's take a look at our faults. Only one, it says electrical AC compressor, but if I low circulation pump, it's wrong text here because electrical AC compressor. So let's try to switch ignition off and on. Let's take so only one message remaining, this one. You can try to delete fault codes from engine ECU and try to activate cooling fan. Fan motor, trying spinning. So let's try to shut. It stops. So now it's communicating, okay? So now we need to investigate with circulation pump, but I 100% sure that this pump is completely broken. So first I need to check. So to test circulation pump, we have to measure. Here we have 3 pins. Let's start with one. Maybe it should be line bus. I connect to this pin, and we have beautiful line bus. Another pin, we should have 12 volts. So yes, we have 12 volts. And one more pin, we should have minus ground. So I have control light connected to the positive. So this line with ground. So everything okay. So we need to replace this pump.